It's the last day of London. I'm going to the Colour Festival Holi.
I look like a mess, wait.
Last day in London. Holi, the festival of colors, is a Hindu celebration of spring, love, and the triumph of good over evil. People throw colored powders, light bonfires, and enjoy the gatherings with music and dance. I got, what's the name? I forgot. Kuche chol.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
I got kuche chol. Looks nice. Coriander.
Go home, take a bath, apply soap and everything.
Okay.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely.
Bye bye UCC. Bye bye Western Campus.
This is one nostalgic person, this is not at all nostalgic. Two Japanese people. Different types.
Okay, so that was the last day in London for me, and I was so lucky to have such an exciting one on my last day. And this is me packing desperately because I hadn't done anything before, so watch over me with warm eyes, please. And almost a half of my suitcase are filled with snacks and sweets, and you can see the Lay's ketchup flavor. Honestly, it wasn't my favorite one, but I just thought that could be a good souvenir for my friends or family, so. These are what I got from my friends. Now it's 9:25 p.m. Tomorrow morning I will leave this warehouse. Probably I should be more emotional, but honestly, I am too busy with packing to feel lonely. I don't have time and I don't have space here in the suitcases. Also, need to clean up those stuff. I really loved this place.